In this video, we'll be first looking at the bone, that what is bone and what's the difference between bone and the cartilage. So bone, as we know, that it is a hard type of skeleton. Number first, it is what is the hard type of skeleton. Hard, hard type of skeleton. Bone is present in our body that makes like the proper structure of the skeleton system, plus it is a hard type of material that is present in the skeleton system. So that is first of all that bone is a hard type of the skeleton system. Okay, so bone is made up of types of cell. For everything is made up of cell is the basic unit of the life. So as we know that our eyes have what the cells cones and bones. So here the bones are made up of cells that is known as osteocytes. Cells are osteo So osteocytes are embedded in the matrix. We know that the matrix is the fluid part. So osteocytes are the cells of the bones and they are embedded in the matrix. That protein matrix is known as collagen. What matrix? Matrix. That matrix is fluid part that is embedded means in daba hua, embedded in the protein layer, that is collagen, and the type of collagen is 1. Okay, collagen 1. Okay, now moving towards our third point, that is that it is hard due to the why bone is a hard skeleton. Now the question arises that why bone is a hard skeleton, because bone contain that calcium and phosphorus, because it contain the calcification, like the deposition of the phosphate and calcium, like deposition of calcium and phosphate is known as calcification. So it deposit because bone is hard because of the deposition of calcium and phosphate, and this process is known as calcification, because bone is a hard the solid. So that is why, just because of the calcium and the phosphate, that process is known as the calcification. Okay, I am writing calcification. Okay, just because of this, the deposition of. Now we're moving towards our fourth point, and that is that it supports the organ that are consist of the blood vessels. It consists of the organ. It supports the organ. what it supports the organ, it like supports the outer shell of the organ. Okay, it supports the organ, outer part of the organ, supports organ. It gives the proper structure to your organ, give the support to your organ, give the outer shell to your organ. You can also say in different ways. Okay, now we are moving towards our last, that the blood vessels are especially like can penetrate into it, means can pass into it. Blood vessels are present. You can also write blood vessels are present. Blood vessels are present means blood vessels can penetrate. I'm making the diagram of, like, if I can make, I can try them. I don't know if I can do it. This, I don't know. This is the like. Let me try it again. Here, the yellow matrix is present. Here, yellow matrix is present over here. Okay, let's just forget it. We are moving towards our cartilage now. Okay, we are now on the cartilage. Cartilage is a type of the soft skeleton system. Yes, sorry, skeleton. It is a flexible skeleton. It is a flexible skeleton. As bone was the heart, so it is like the type of the connective tissue, as well as bone is also a type of connective tissue, and skeleton is what? Soft. You can say that it is a soft skeleton. It is a type of the soft skeleton. Okay. Number second is that as the cells of the bones were made up of the osteocytes, so the cell of the cartilages are made up of chondrocytes. Okay, chondro sites. Okay, and they are also embedded in a matrix. That matrix of the protein is also the choline, and that is what? That is the type 2 matrix. That is collagen, I misspelled it. Collagen 2. I hope that is clear. Now I'll be going towards our third difference, that is they do not have the calcification process. As I told you that they are the soft spongy skeleton, flexible skeleton, so their bones it is much softer than bones, and they are very flexible. What they are flexible, and the calcification process do not occur, mean the deposition of the calcium and the phosphate. if the deposition of the calcium and phosphate will be occurring, so that will be converted into hard, so heart shape, so that is what, that is bone. So calcification process do not take place in the cartilage. I'll tell you where the cartilages are present and where not. Okay, the calcification process do not take place. Now we'll be moving towards our fifth one. Fifth one is that it covers the, like, as we know that bone supports the organ. So what the cartilage do, it covers the ends of the bone and joint to joint, and it supports the joint, like they are present at the joints, they support the joint, they give, like they are present at the end of the joints, or you can say bones. They support the joints, bones, okay, the soft skeleton. And next up we have that it do not contain the blood vessels, like blood vessels cannot penetrate, means cannot pass through the cartilage. Blood vessels absence, you can also write that blood vessels cannot penetrate into the cartilages. Cartilages are present in your outer body as well. Let me give you the example of the cartilage. The outer air is made up of the cartilage. Touch it right now, and the outer air is made of what? It is made of the cartilage. It is a soft bone, okay, air. And another example would be lungs. Cartilages are the connective tissue that are present in the joints. They are present in the bones as well. They are present in the air. They are present in the lungs as well. They are present in the nose as well. They are present in the trachea as well. The cartilage that are present in the trachea are known as hyaline cartilage. I will be writing as well. Trachea is, the windpipe, and the cartilage types is three. There are three types of the cartilage. So a higher lean cartilage is present in trachea. Flexible and the fibrous cartilages are present where? They are present in the air. Fibrous cartilages, okay. And we have yes, bones, but the cartilages are not present where? They are not present in lungs, sorry, but they are not present in the kidney. Are they present? No, they are not present in the kidney. Everywhere where the bone is there, they are present. The joints are there, present, but not in kidney. Okay, but not in what? But not in kidney. Let me give a good highlight. Sorry, it just disappeared. They are not present over here, like in the kidney. I don't know why it isn't reacting. Sorry for that. So they are not present in the kidney. Okay. So yeah, that is it about this video. Okay. I hope that is clear.